Historically, airplanes were initially designed for military use, and military pilots traditionally approached planes from the left side. This was because the propeller was on the right side, and approaching from the left made it easier to see and avoid the spinning propeller. When commercial aviation began, this practice was carried over, and the left side of the plane became the standard side for boarding. Practically, boarding from the left side also allows for more efficient and safe boarding. Most airport terminals are designed so that passengers enter the boarding gate from the right side and walk down a corridor to board the plane. Boarding from the left side allows passengers to board the plane without having to cross the corridor, which can cause congestion and potential safety hazards. Additionally, boarding from the left side can also help with the flow of passengers and luggage. Since most people are right-handed, carrying bags and maneuvering through the aisle is typically easier from the left side of the plane. Overall, while the practice of boarding from the left side of the plane may have historical roots, it has also been shown to be a practical and efficient way to board passengers onto an aircraft. The reason planes typically board from the left-hand side is largely due to historical reasons and practical considerations. During the early days of aviation, planes were often loaded with passengers and cargo from the front, which made it easier for ground crew to load and unload cargo. However, as planes became larger and more complex, it became more difficult to load from the front and the practice shifted to loading from the side. Planes board from the left side mainly because of the placement of the jet bridge or boarding stairs. Most airport gates have jet bridges on the left side of the plane, which allows passengers to board the plane directly from the terminal without needing to walk on the tarmac. Boarding from the left side also helps ensure that passengers are not walking in front of the plane's engines or being exposed to the hazards of the right-hand side of the plane, which may include other moving aircraft, vehicles, or airport personnel. Additionally, boarding from the left side allows the captain to better view the boarding process and helps flight attendants more easily direct passengers to their seats. Finally, it also allows for a smoother and more efficient boarding process as passengers move from left to right through the cabin, rather than crisscrossing the aisle and slowing down the process. Safety. Boarding from the left side of the plane is standard practice worldwide because it allows passengers to enter the plane safely and away from the high-speed traffic of airport vehicles and luggage carts on the right side. Historical convention. The practice of boarding on the left side of the plane dates back to the early days of aviation, when planes were designed to accommodate boarding from the left side. This tradition has persisted over the years, even as planes have evolved to become larger and more complex. Design considerations. The layout of most airport terminals is also designed to facilitate boarding from the left side of the plane. The gates and jet bridges are typically configured to align with the left-hand side of the plane, making it easier and more efficient for passengers to board and disembark. Overall, boarding from the left side of the plane has become the standard practice for safety and practical reasons, and is likely to continue as such for the foreseeable future. Historically, planes were boarded from the left because of the way they were designed. In the early days of aviation, planes had a single propeller on the right side of the aircraft. This meant that passengers and crew had to board from the left to avoid getting too close to the spinning propeller. Practically, boarding from the left side also makes it easier for ground crew to load and unload luggage and supplies from the right side of the aircraft. By having passengers board from the left, the aisle is kept clear of obstructions, allowing for more efficient loading and unloading of cargo. Additionally, boarding from the left also follows a general convention of keeping to the right-hand side of a path or walkway, which makes it easier for passengers to move in the same direction without colliding. While there is no specific reason why planes couldn't board from the right, left-side boarding has become the industry standard due to these historical and practical considerations. Planes typically board from the left-hand side of the aircraft because it allows for more efficient and organized boarding. This method of boarding is commonly referred to as boarding by zones, or boarding by groups. When passengers enter the plane from the left, they walk down the aisle and find their seats on the right-hand side of the plane. This means that passengers can easily stow their carry-on luggage in the overhead bins on the right-hand side of the plane without having to cross over other passengers who are trying to do the same thing. Furthermore, by boarding passengers in specific zones or groups, the airline can ensure that the boarding process is organized and efficient. Passengers in each group can board the plane one at a time, which reduces crowding and ensures that everyone has enough space to move around comfortably. This can also help to reduce boarding times and prevent delays. Overall, boarding from the left is a simple but effective way to ensure that passengers can board the plane in an efficient and organized manner, without causing any unnecessary delays or disruptions.